Hi, today we're going to be building a 3D printer because we got the Ender 3 and it's in this box here. And today we're going to be doing a time lapse of building it. And on the box, it's even got the Ender Dragon. So let's build it. We're done building the Ender 3, that's little Ender Dragon, and it's bigger than I thought. Actually, I didn't even think of anything of it. How do we turn it on now, pups?
Go hit the switch at the back.
Yes, sir. Oh, the power switch.
Ooh,
You can even hear the fan.
loading up.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
bed
so
leveling. So
good.
prepare. We're prepared.
Yep, that's what
Okay, and then we go to auto home.
Yep. I have to write this down. Oh, and it is moving, folks. Slowly, but it's moving. Slowly, but it's still moving. Wait, it says on Papa on the screen it says auto homing. Please don't other operation.
Yeah. Piece of paper.
Okay, it's right at the edge. Oh, it stopped. We didn't hit it. Okay.
Disable stepper.
Okay.
Twist the coupling to raise the x-axis to the position as picture shown.
Nothing's happening. I'm pressing it. Nothing's happening.
Yeah, this disabled stepper is disabled now, right?
Oh, okay. Yes. What's the stepper?
The stepper motors.
Oh. See? Nothing. Okay.
Disable
Awesome.
stepper. Okay, so then you're supposed to be able to twist this. Next. So we now move the nozzle near the top of the leveling nut. Screw the nut and adjust the distance. The distance is about 0.1 millimeter.
So we're tuning it right now?
Yeah. 0.1 millimeter. I don't even know how to measure 0.1 millimeters. Okay, let's see.
I think that's 0.1 millimeters. I don't know, but that's like really small.
I know.
I don't know what 0.1
Okay.
millimeters is.
Okay, hang on. So
Okay.
now, let's see. Okay, so now, how do we disable the stepper?
So is it like a record? Yeah, it reminds me of a record.
So,
What are those edible flowers called?
nasturtiums.
Nasturtium. 0.1 millimeters. Wasn't that just hilarious, Papa?
Yeah, so now we're trying to get it so it's the same across. So he's got to go up
This
on
is
this
an
side.
amazing machine. You can see we have our roll of filament up top. And there's Papa testing what it look like.
Okay.
Doing camera action is really fun, Papa. Oops, sorry.
Set these. So this is how you can manually control that, but I don't think we're now screwed down. Oh, I see. So disable stepper. This is a toolbox? Oh.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they have a drawer. Open it again to show our viewers.
You put your tools in there. Cool. Still can't figure out why it's so much further off the ground than I think it should be.
There's a little knob where Papa's hand is. It's a little knob you turn to select the different things, and then there's a button on it to like press enter, kind of A-OK. There, see? Knob right there. See, but yeah, it's how you select on here. There's not a touch screen, but there's lots of icons on there that are easy to scroll through and click. Pretty good 3D printer, I guess. Can't wait to try it out. So the first thing I'm gonna 3D print is either an Ender Dragon, because it's an Ender, an Enderman, or another thing. I don't know. Another Minecraft thing. How's the progress going?
Not sure yet. I need to line it up.
As you can see, he just moved the base. So that's how it moves, because it's three-dimensional, not two-dimensional. So it can move X, Y, and Z. And so instead of this tall thing moving side to side for it, the base moves. So I think that's all the features of the Ender 3. Pretty sure you put an SD card in. Yeah, the SD card's got your STL or OBJ file. Or, I don't know, whatever else the Ender 3 supports. I don't know if it supports STL and OBJ, but I think it does. And you put that thing inside the 3D printer, the SD card, you put it in the 3D printer, and it 3D prints whatever's on the card when you select 3D print on the little selection module. And whatever I'm gonna 3D print first, I am definitely gonna do a time lapse on it. I think that'll be great. Right, Papa?
I don't get it. This whole works is too low in that case. I think the whole thing has to come up, but how does it come up?
So there's 4 knobs underneath the base here, and that controls how high the base is, right, Papa?
Yep.
And we need it to be exactly level, so the 3D printer doesn't go here and 3D print something and it goes over here and it scrapes against the base. So we want it to be all level, we want it to be all 0.1 millimeters. Oh, and on the base, it's got kind of a rough, grippy surface so that it's nice and easy to 3D print on. But if you want to have a flat surface, you can take these little metal clips off and flip the base over, and it's got a smooth side on the bottom, and then you can put in clips and it'll work like you want to. And Neil Glazer, back as camera operator. He's using this piece of paper there because it seems to be 0.1 millimeters. So we just gotta lift it up on all 4.
Yeah, we're gonna do the different axes.
So there you can see there's a little knob, and there one too, so that you can easily higher and lower the base.
Not easy.
Okay, not easy. I remember when me and my mom were watching a video of the Ender 3, and the guy on there said it's kind of hard to assemble, and my mind blew up. I was like, assemble? You have to assemble it? Yeah, you have to assemble it. So if you're getting one of these, I don't know, it seems great. The guy on the video said it was great. Maybe after we 3D print something, we'll fill you in on how it worked. Yeah, this is the Ender 3 V2, a good 3D printer. It was fun to make.
Hopefully it's going to be fun to make stuff with.
Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be fun to make stuff with.
Okay, well that feels pretty good that side, so now we're gonna move this over and see what it looks like on the other side here.
Me and my mom watched a video about this one, and the guy on it said the fan was really quiet, but I can definitely hear the fan. Maybe it's just a quiet fan. So on the 3D printer, basically how it works is that square right there in the, this thing, there's a little golden tip at the bottom. It's not real gold, it's just colorful. It spits out plastic where there's a roll up top right there. And it goes down and there's a little tube that it feeds into. And then it goes across like how Papa's moving it right now. And basically it spits out plastic as it goes in certain orders to make kind of like a 3D thing. That's why it's called a 3D printer.
It prints in layers.
Yeah, like in Minecraft when you're building a castle out of cobblestone, you start by making the foundation, then you build up a layer and then up a layer and then keep going like that. And up more layers. It's just a wonderful piece of technology, the Ender 3.
Good. So let's put this in the middle, see what happens. Okay, so now preheat PLA, 21 degrees, 0, 24. What do we have there, Amy?
This is our first 3D printing project, I guess. Yeah, I wanted to upload a thing, and then on the SD card it said cat and dog, and I was like, And so I uploaded a thing I wanted to make, but it didn't work, so I chose cats, because cats are my favorite animals.
Next to ermines, obviously.
Yeah, cats and ermines. A lot of favorite animals.
And you like snakes too, right?
And snakes. I have a lot of different favorite
That's pretty cool. So, how did it turn out?
Yeah, it turned out great. I think you can kind of see where they did the layers on the top, but I really like it. It makes it look cool.
It is cool.
Yeah, it's Snowball. Snowball the fat cat.
Yeah.
Lucky Snowball, yeah. Cool. So what do we think of this 3D printer?
Great. It was
It's so cool.
Yep, and our first 3D printing project is gone successful.
Nice. All right.
Should we
Awesome.
print something else?
Make sure you like and subscribe because we're just little kids and grown-ups having an awesome, actually not grown-ups, there's no grown-ups here. Who said there was grown-ups? Papa's not even a grown-up, he's just a big kid somehow. Yeah.
Okay. Ciao.
Ciao, bye. Like and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell.